So V Perms have this 2x2 block here, and the corners on either side of the 2x2 block are opposite colors. So these two are opposite colors, and these two are opposite colors. And also, V Perms don't have a headlights on either of the other sides. So as of now, there's actually a few good ways to do V Perms. I'm going to show two ways in this video. So the first algorithm is quite a common algorithm. It's the one with the rotation, so it goes like this. So if you're not a big fan of the cube rotation in the previous algorithm, here's another algorithm that doesn't have a cube rotation. However, it does require a regrip during the algorithm, so it's up to you which one you prefer. So this is the one without the cube rotation. So because V Perm algorithms aren't considered the best algorithms, it's important to have good finger tricks for these algorithms. So with the first one, the one with the cube rotation, I usually start it with a regrip and do the first few moves like that. Then I do the U prime as I do the cube rotation. And then with this one, you can do the F prime with your index finger here, or a lot of people use their thumb here as well. Either way, they both work. And finally, the F move here, I use my middle finger here because it's easier to use that than to reposition my pointer. So middle finger here, and final F move, once again, you can use your finger here or you could use your thumb here. All those finger tricks work quite well. So for the second algorithm, it doesn't require a cube rotation. However, as I said, there is a regrip halfway through, and it starts off the same way as the previous one. So it also goes like this, and then has some D moves here, and then here there's a big regrip like that to do these moves, and then the rest is also straightforward. So yeah, they're the finger tricks for that. Now for both of the algorithms I've shown, the AUF recognition is exactly the same. It's looking at this block here. So this block will not move during the algorithm, so it's basically the solved part of the cube. The algorithm moves the other parts of the other pieces around. So this block won't move, so it's perfect for recognizing AUF. So that's it for V Perms Made Easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.